Welcome my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Raghuveer Deshpande from Pune, Maharashtra State, India, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy. Today is a very special event, my dear friends, because today I have received, with our together joint efforts of sharing the knowledge of Ayurveda and the health. This is, you can understand very well because a lot of videos you have seen. This is unboxing of the silver button that I have received today, that is 24th of November 2023, and I am very delighted and glad and to show you the different things that are incorporated in this particular award. Here you can see the certificate is there, and only one sentence I would like to read for you. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 1 lakh subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. But my dear friends, this congratulations is not only for me, because I know this is your kind support, kind blessings and kind love that you are pushing me all the time. Doctor, please keep it up, keep it up. And that is because of the joint venture I have received this particular honor. So let us see what actually the silver medal or silver button look like. You can see here they have written presented to Ayurveda Academy. Of course, you know this is the name of my channel, for passing 1 lakh subscribers from the YouTube. So this is, my dear friends, silver button that I have received on behalf of all of us. It is not only my credit, it is because of your love, blessings and support, and I request all of you to continue this support for the upcoming next milestones, 1 lakhs and 1 lakhs and 1 lakhs, because gaining the knowledge of Ayurveda and health is an unending process. This is my words. So my dear friends, this is the last thing that I want to share with you. This is the YouTube Silver Creators button, and this is my certificate. This is the honor of all of us. My dear friends, thanks again. Thank you very much.